Air quality is of critical and rising importance, as widely acknowledged by the World Health Organization and many other international and national public health organizations. Of all the major air pollutants that affect human health, particulate matter exhibits the most multi-scale and multivariable behavior, due to its multiple physicochemical characteristics and emission mechanisms. In this review, the EMR refers to countries around the eastern Mediterranean Sea, namely Cyprus, Greece, Israel, Turkey, Lebanon, Syria, and Egypt. This review examined mitigation measures in the source areas of the Middle East, Northern Africa, and the Sahel, where sand and dust storms originate and do not belong to the predefined countries of the eastern Mediterranean region, whereas the adaptation measures are examined in the eastern Mediterranean region countries. The term measure refers to a single or a series of actions at a local or at a wider scale. The aim of this paper is to review the different mitigation and adaptation measures that are taken or can be taken in the source areas of sand and dust storms or the eastern Mediterranean region in order to negate the impacts of sand and dust storms locally or far away, while investigating the challenges of implementing the measures by the different social, economic, and political dimensions. Future challenges. Here you can see the physical processes that lead to sand and dust emission and govern the lifetime of sand and dust storms. Uncover the complexities of sand and dust storms in the eastern Mediterranean region and explore potential mitigation and adaptation strategies by checking the link.